Oh, Marco, yes, I used to have a boat down here. Marco used to live in it. It used to be parked down the end there, only a little one.
Apparently there's 2 people on that boat. All that bloke there I spoke to, Common name now, he said he's waiting for 2 people that went on that boat.